Hey guys, it's just me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating a unit out of a 1968 Dodge Charger. It's an AM-8 track converted to FM with Bluetooth. This comes from Glenn in, I guess it's Moulton, Alabama. Thank you very much, Glenn, for your business all the way from Alabama. And so let's go ahead and fire this unit up, make sure everything works before we send her back. I've got it set to AM at the moment, so turn her on.
I wanted to get the president's point of view. They could have got it and used it and say the president's pushing back hard on this.
Okay, and while we've got it on talk radio, we'll demonstrate the
I mean, that whole thing with Trump and
the balance
Woodward
control,
and other people. Trump was
all the way right,
nonstop. He was trying to
all
control
the way
the
left,
narrative, thought that he could charm people
right,
into writing something nice about
left,
him, which was a naive perspective. Because
okay, and now we also have a front-rear speaker fader. Since this radio has 4 speaker outputs, we activate the fader by giving our tone control 2 turns upwards. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn my tone control to the center, so I've got room to turn it upwards. And let's try that.
According to their perspective. And so if there was anything...
Okay, it didn't activate that time. Let's try it again.
That wasn't...
There we go.
I want to talk about something else.
So now we're adjusting all the way rear, all the way front, all the way rear, front. Okay, I want to center them best I can.
What I really appreciate about Peter Ducey.
Fader set.
And fader set. Okay, let's see, what's next? Let's switch over to FM, and we do that by turning the unit off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM.
Come to the Ruger Firearms hiring
Run down the dial here. Make sure we pick up some stations.
Chamber Orchestra led by
on your schedule. Just say, Alexa, play
Una cruz ahí en medio de dos lados.
The world is in an urgent situation.
B5 prescription, and you can choose greater
Remember when I first met you in
government. It's not.
There's always something.
In February,
I with my food from like
Christmas tree permit.
but I was
Festival runs Saturday, November 16th through.
my goal after just.
Alrighty, let's put the Bluetooth in the pairing mode, which we do by giving our volume control 2 turns upwards. Let's try that.
In a couple of states, but Budweiser has started selling Bud Zero.
Oops.
Have you heard about this? It's their alcohol-free.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
There we go. Okay, so the Bluetooth is now trying to pair with a portable audio device, and of course I don't do all that on the video. Let's go ahead and try the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka here.
With free shipping.
Switch tracks. Make sure we got all 4 speakers. Alrighty, pull the tape out and the radio comes back. So that's all the functions are tested and she's ready to go back. And I'm ready to move on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen what I can do to your ancient AM 8-track unit. These Chrysler units are a very popular visitor in my shop. To reach me for service, not for repair advice or to look for belts or parts, don't call me for those reasons. I'm strictly a repair shop. My number is 928-533-9666. My website's in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Glenn, for your business all the way from Alabama, and we'll see you guys next time.